Hello everyone. We decided it's time for another Training Tuesday episode, and as you can see we are ready with Aman, and Aman is ready for training and he wants the treats. So today we are going to do speak and quiet training. Speak or bark and quiet. After he learns to do speak, we will tell him to be quiet. Aman, wait, come. So first we will start with speak. For speak we have to let him know that we have a treat, and Aman already knows that I have many treats. Yes, Aman, sit. Yes, I will give it to you. Sit. 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 Yes, stay. So we have to hold the treat above his head, and we have to ignore all other like he's doing high five right now. We have to ignore all other tricks that he does, and we don't have to praise him at that time. And when he will get impatient, he will surely bark. This is a little easy trick because dogs will naturally bark and when they get impatient. So we have to hold the treat above his head, and we don't have to tell him anything. We have to make sure that he has the attention on the treat. We have to wait. See, he is trying to take it from me. He is trying to do sit pretty, which is another trick we are working on, but we have to ignore that for now. Yes, good boy. So as you can see, Aman did not bark completely. He just made a soft sound, and but still I gave him the treat, and I let him know that he is doing the right thing, what I want him to do. And this is how we will tell him that this is what we want him to do, and he will understand. So let's try again. I hope this time he barks completely. Aman, sit. So I will again repeat the process. He is again trying to do sit pretty, but I will not respond to that. Aman. He's trying to snatch it from my hand. Yes, good boy. So that was a complete bark. That's a bit of progress. Yes, good boy, Aman. Like this we have to continue the process. Aman already is trained in speak, so that's why he is able to do it easily. Wait, Aman. What do you want? He is doing shake. Wait, I will give you. Like this we have to do it consistently, and we have to continue the process. He's going crazy right now. Aman, no, sit. Yes, I am giving you. So now we will introduce the word after he has understood what he's already doing. Okay, Aman, speak. Speak. He did not do it completely. So yes, good boy. Yes, good boy. So Aman has learned speak already, and that's why he was able to do it easily. And now we will teach him quiet. So now we will start with the more important and more difficult part of the training of speak. That is quiet, because if our dog keeps barking all the time, it's very annoying. Like when during his time when he's waiting for food, if he keeps barking, that's very annoying. So we have to teach him quiet. Aman, sit. And it's important that our dog learns that he has to bark only when we want him to bark, and not whenever he wishes to do so. Aman, sit. Sit. No. Sit. 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 No. Aman, come. Sit. Yes, good boy. So now I will not tell him to speak or anything, and I think he will speak. Yes, good boy. Like this. Just now what happened? He did speak on his own wish, and I did not tell him to do. Again he's doing. Take. So I did not tell him to speak, but he. Yes, good boy. So this is what we do for quiet training. He will speak. After he learns speak, he will automatically speak. He will think associate the treat with speak, because just now he had learned speak, and so he will bark, but we have to ignore that, and after that he will, when he gets quiet, we will give the treat to him, and he will understand that sometimes he also has to stay quiet. So he has already done it 2 times, so I will now introduce the word after he speaks on his own. Come on. Quiet. Yes, good boy. And it's important that for the first few times we keep the time duration a little low, and after that we increase the time that we want him to stay quiet, because he won't be able to understand at the first time. So I will show you once again, because this is more important, the quiet. Come on, sit. So I will just hold the treat, he will speak. Quiet. Yes, good boy. So as you can see, I increased the time this time, and he did it. Yes, good boy. So now I will show you both speak and quiet together. First I will tell him to speak, and I will give him the treat at that time. I'll make him do both together. Go on. Speak. Yes, good boy. Quiet. Yes, good boy. So Amand is already trained in both speak and quiet, so he did it nicely. But the process is the same, and if you follow this process, you will also be able to teach your dog how to do speak and quiet. So Amand, are you happy? You got so many treats for training? Okay Amand, you performed nicely. Say goodbye. Bye.